This all-new Motoposh Typhoon has a 150cc engine displacement, 4-stroke single-cylinder naka-single overhead cam with 2 valves. This underbone motorcycle delivers a total max power of 15 HP at 8,500 RPM with 12 Nm of torque at 6,500 RPM. Sa kanya pong fuel system, ito po ay naka-carburetor type pa, habang kanyang cooling system po, ito po ay naka-air cooled. And as for the starting system, parehas po itong pinapagana ng electric push starter at kickstarter. And for the ignition system, ito po ay naka-ordinary key ignition lamang po. At dahil underbone type motorcycle, of course gumagamit ito ng chain and sprockets pagdating sa kanyang driving system. At para sa kanyang transmission system, meron po itong hanggang 5-speed na naka full manual clutch. For the suspension, sa harapan po equipped po ito ng telescopic fork, habang naka-centered monoshock naman po ito pagdating sa likuran. And as for the braking system nito, parehas pong equipped ng hydraulic disc ang preno nito harap at likuran. Kaya naman when it comes to braking power, hindi ka rin mabibitin sa underbone na ito mula po kay Motoposh Motorcycles. At para naman po sa kanyang dimensions, meron po itong overall length na 1,945mm, overall width na 670mm at overall height na 980mm. Meron naman po itong seat height na 760mm, habang ang kanyang ground clearance naman po ay 175mm. At napakagaan nga lang po ng underbone na ito mula po kay Motoposh dahil ito po ay meron lamang pong bigat na 103 kg. At yan ang engine specs sa iba pang features itong pinakabagong Motoposh Typhoon 150